Hey crafty friends! Today we're going to make some little lighted Christmas trees out of tulle. So get your tulle. If you have some little lights, that would be good. They're not necessary. And you need a dowel and maybe a little piece of wood, something for a base to put your dowel into. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some tulle. I have gold, red, and white. So I'm just going to cut varying strips, varying lengths of, I'm starting with the gold tulle. And it doesn't matter if you get the strips in random different sizes, because we're going to put the bigger ones at the bottom, smaller ones at the top. So you can just cut, and then if it's little, move it to the top. If it's bigger, put it at the bottom. And we're just going to knot it on a skewer. Well, it's not really a skewer. This is just a wooden dowel. And what we're going to do is make a Christmas tree. Now, I'm using the gold glittery tulle. I also have the red glitter. I have the white. And I also have the white mesh that I thought about trying, but I didn't have other colors to go with it. So since I have the red and the white in the glitter, I decided to go with these three. So also, as you can see, I've already got my first piece that I put on. It's longer on one side than the other. That's not really gonna matter, because making a tree, you don't want it to be perfect, but if you do want yours to be perfect, you can go back and trim that piece off that's a little bit longer. So we're just going to do it like this and fill it all the way to the top. And you can make it as far from the bottom as you want, depending on how long you want your trunk to be of your tree. And then we're going to take each little fluff on each side and kind of spread it out to make our tree look full. And also, as you put them on, you want to put them, see how I'm going to try to make this one cross opposite way of the last one. So you're making kind of like an X all the way up. See, as I slide it down, then I'm going to make sure it's twisted the opposite of the last one that I put on. That way, as I start to fluff them out like this, it will fill in. So you're not really looking at the dowel. And you can't really tell it, I don't think, very good in the video, but it's pretty glittery, which I like. So we're just going to continue this same thing. Now, I've sped this up so we can hurry up and get it to the top, but we're just going to keep doing the same thing, cutting pieces and tying them on. I'm not really even making a knot. I'm just pulling it tight to the dowel. Now the last thing to do is take the top two pieces, and we're going to put a little hot glue on the dowel and then squeeze those two pieces together to kind of make the final top of your tree. Now just fluff it up. Fill it all in. Now I have 2 more trees that I've already made. Some smaller ones. I made one red one and one white one. I'm just going to pull up those final 2 pieces on the top to make the finish of these trees. We're going to end up making a little sort of an arrangement, a table decoration. Okay, now I have this piece of wood with 3 holes already drilled in that are the size of these dowels. So I'm going to put a spot of hot glue on each hole and put each of the 3 trees here. So before I put my little figurine on, I'm going to add these little battery operated lights. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it where the light just barely pokes through. Let me show you. Put a little spot of hot glue. And I'm really going to put the green part on there, but I'm not going to put the light bulb on it. I'm going to have the light bulb kind of poke through the tulle. So I'm going to do this, flipping it back and forth so I can look and see where my lights are coming through. And this is a little 10 light set, the little battery operated that you get from the Dollar Tree. And 10 lights, I believe, will be enough for all 3 trees. Because I'm just going to put maybe 4 or probably 5 on this bigger tree. And that leaves me 3 for one of the other trees and 2 for the other. So right now it looks like you can see the wires, but I'm thinking once I get all the lights in, then I'll fluff it up a little better to hide that wire. And then of course I'll have my little figurine of my Santa Claus sitting at the bottom, so should disguise this. I'm thinking the battery pack itself can just go behind the Santa Claus. So we're about to see how that's going to work out. So you just look and figure out about where you'd like it. Put your little spot of hot glue. Sorry, I got off the camera there. Sometimes I'm so into it while I'm crafting that I forget I'm videotaping. I'm on a mission. So yeah, I can just scoot over from that top tree, scoot down to this tree on this side, and then I can use the last end of the line for the little white tree. This way it keeps most of the wire going down the center, which will be largely hidden by that gold tulle. And of course my little Santa at the bottom. And you know, this would be cute with like a little sleigh down at the bottom, or a snowman. I have a little sleigh that's really cute that I thought maybe filled up with little packages. Or even you could just put packages all at the base of your trees. And this also would be cute with trees all of the same color. Maybe all green, or all white, all red. If you follow my channel, you know I love color, so mine ends up kind of looking like fireworks instead of a Christmas tree. But I don't do much traditional ways. I'm always outside the box, so this is definitely outside the box. In fact, when I finished that gold one, I was thinking it looked like a cotton candy, all pooped up on that skewer. See how cute that came out? Really cute. And you also could put some little ornaments on it. Put some stars on top of your trees. I kind of just liked it plain and simple like this. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!